Hi guys, and welcome back to Mr. Poole's Online Math School. Uh, uh, Today I want to congratulate you guys, because congratulations, you all made it through the 4th grade curriculum for math. We made it through everything that I'm supposed to teach you and that you should learn for 5th grade. So I've taught you everything. So it's all up there. It's all in your head. Now you guys just need to be stars and get it out next year when Mr. Bumpus asks you any of those questions. So congratulations, you made it through. Give yourself a hand, a pat on the back. Yay. Okay, I also learned some other news today. This week that you are hearing this video, you are allowed to come up to the school at certain times. You've probably been sent emails on this to get a baggie or a bag of your stuff from your locker. I've cleaned all that out. I've put it all in a bag. I've labeled it and gave it to Miss Pope, and then she will pass those out to you. So look for emails. Make sure you get with your parents to check their emails if they haven't been, to look for that to collect your stuff. The second thing is we are required by the district to give a short assessment, about 30 minutes, 30-minute assessment to you at the end of the school year. So somewhere between May 20th and May 26th. So you will have a short assessment, not a long one at all. It should only take you about 30 minutes. So I'm thinking it's going to be around 10 questions, just to see how you're doing on the material that we've taught you so far during this online school period. Don't worry about it. Just do your best on it. Try to work out each problem and you'll do fine. But that's coming up May 20th to the 26th. So short little online assessment. Okay, and then also this week that we're on currently, you can be going up to the school at certain times. Check with Miss Pope or check your parents' email and check what time you are assigned to come up there and pick up that stuff. It should be quick. They're just going to drop it in the back of your trunk, no contact. No students are allowed into the building also. All right, those are my messages for today. And again, a congratulations to all you 4th graders, okay, on soon to becoming 5th graders in a few short weeks. So I picked some topics for us to go over these next coming up weeks, but the good thing is they're all review. You've had them already. I've already taught you them in class. So these are totally review. So you're not learning anything new. Again, totally review. Okay, the first subject is simplest form. Okay, and remember I call that reducing fractions, making the fractions as small as possible. Okay, our book calls it simplest form. Okay, so the first thing you have to do in finding simplest form is remember finding the greatest common factor, or I shortened it to GCF. The GCF. If you find the GCF, then you will be able to get this fraction in simplest form. The first thing is to make a t-chart. T-chart with 8 and a t-chart with 10, and come up with all the factors of 10 and 8. So you're going to come up with the factors. And factors, if you don't remember what that is, that's a number multiplied with another number to come up with this product or answer. Okay, so the factors of 8, remember, start off with the easy one. 1 and 8. What are some other factors of 8? Yep, 2 and 4. Very good. And I think we have them all. I think those are the only factors of 8. Okay, now we have the factors of 10. All right, easy one. Yep, you got it. 1 and 10. What else? Okay, 2 and 5. Yep. 3 doesn't go in there. 4 doesn't go in there evenly. 5 we already have. Okay, that should be it. All right, now we want to find the greatest common factor. So the greatest one they both have in common. All right, as I'm looking, it looks like it's 2. So the GCF, or the greatest common factor, is 2. Now, that's not our answer though. Now you got to use that GCF and you have to divide that, divide this fraction by the GCF. So divide both sides by 2. And remember, whatever you do to the numerator, you have to do the same thing to the denominator. So if you divide the numerator by 2, you have to divide the denominator by 2. So that would be 4/5. So our simplest form for this problem would be 4/5. And if you use the GCF to divide, it's always going to be in simplest form. That's why I say use the GCF. Find the GCF, and then it's always, we know that answer is always in simplest form. Okay? All right, let's try one more before we go on. Let's try a bigger number, and let's try, this one's always a good one to try, 12/16. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the GCF. So we're going to do T-chart for 12, T-chart for 16. Let's start with 16 first. Yep, easy one. 1 times 16. Good. That's a good one. 4 and 4 is 16. What's another? Well, there's some more factors of 16. There's some more. Yep. 2 and 8. Good. And I think that's it. Yep, I can't think of any other ones, so I think we have all the factors of 16. Now, how about the factors of 12? 1 and 12. Yep, 2 and 6. What else? Yep, there's the last one. 3 and 4. Okay, very good. So now we're finding the GCF. So the GCF, the greatest common factor that they both have, or they both have 2, but there's a greater one. They both have 4. So it looks like the GCF is 4. Okay, so now we're going to divide both sides by 4. And when you do that, 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And there you have your simplest form. There you have it. Okay? Now that's what you're going to do on your assignment. I think I've given you maybe 4 problems, 6 problems, 4 or 6 of these to do. So just show me that you can do 4 or 6 of them, okay? And that's what we'll be working on for today. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review lesson over the simplest form. All right, and have a good day. Can't wait to see your assignments. Bye, guys. Have a good day. Bye.